Hi there, welcome back. This is reading lesson number 8. Let's begin. So of course, we're going to do the same stuff, letter review, word blending, new skill, reading words, and then some spelling. Here we go, letter review. Name, I. Sound, I. Excellent. Name, C. Sound, K. Good job. Name, M. Sound, M. Excellent. Name, A. Sound, A. Good job. Name, P. Good. Sound, P. Excellent. Name, S. Sound, S. Good job. Name, T. Sound, T. Good job. We did the letter review. Now we're going to do some word blending. So ready? Do the sounds first. Word is am. Sounds at. Word at. Sounds first. K, at. Word cat. Excellent. It. Sounds it. Word sit. Excellent. Sounds sip. Sip. Really good job. Okay, we're going to blend this one twice just because there's lots of letters. Mist. Do it again. Mist. Word is mist. Really good job. Next is our new skill. Here's the new skill for today. Can you say feather? Can you hear that sound at the beginning of the word? And then say forest. You hear that sound? Good. And then say finish. Excellent. Finish. So let's see what letter is representing the sound. This is called letter F, and we're using it to make the sound. Feather, and then forest, you see it again, and again in finish. Excellent. So get to however you want to train your brain, do it in the air or on the table, but just make some Fs and say F, F, make an F, and the sound is, make one more F, and the sound is excellent. So when we see the letter F, we're going to make the sound. Good. Let's just read these. Excellent. Good job. So now we're going to do our new skill and we're going to read some words. Okay, so the first list here. Okay, so I will always do the sounds. You can go ahead and read them if you like, and then just make sure to check to make sure that you've read them right. Okay, so you can do it with me. If. Let's do this word. Fit. Good job. Next word. Fat. Okay, I'm going to blend it twice. If you've got it on the first time, go ahead and say the word, but I'm going to blend it twice because sometimes when there's lots of letters, you need to blend it twice. Fast. Yep, the word is fast. Good, let's read the words again now. Fast. That. Fit. And if. Excellent. Other side. Let's do the new list. Do the sounds first. Pat. Good. Do the sounds. Sip. Good. So I'm going to blend it twice before I say the word. Okay. Act. Do it with me. Act. Pact. So when you make a pact, you make a promise. A pact. So let's do the next one. Fact. So fact is something that's true. Here we go. Fact, pact, sip, and pat. Excellent reading. Good job. Let's read the sentence. Oh, it's the longer sentence. We can do it though. It is a fact. It is a fact. It is a fat cat. I guess there's a fat cat. Okay. It is a fact, it is a fit cat. So I'm assuming that fit means like it's not fat. It's got muscle. Okay, let's read this sentence. We can do it. It looks like lots of words, but you can do it. Here we go. The fit cat and the fat cat had a tiff. Good. Read that again. The fit cat and the fat cat had a tiff. And a tiff means like a fight. Right? So it looks like they're not too happy and they're fighting each other. Good. Good job. You read your words, and now we're going to do some spelling. So if you have a whiteboard, get that ready, or a pen and a paper, whichever you got ready for me. Okay, so first sound is, say that. Yeah, if you're writing an F, you got it. Okay, now say I. Good, if you're thinking that's an I, that's awesome. And now say T. You're writing a T, good. That'll make my I better there. Now say A, correct, that's vowel A. Say You're writing an M, good job. One more, say P. Excellent, great, that's a P. Good job. Okay, what are those sounds? Read them to me. I, T, A, and excellent. Okay, so we have 3 words to write. The first word is if. How many sounds in if? If. Excellent. What letters do you need? If is an I and F. Good. That's the little word. If. Next word. Can you say fit? Fit. What sounds do we have? It. Good. Let's do the letters. That's an F. Good. And an I. And a T. Good. Next word. Can you say fast? Okay, what sounds do you need for fast? Excellent. There's 4 sounds in there. Okay, let's write the letters for fast. Good. Good job. What word did we just write? Fast. This word was fit, and this is the word if. Great job on those words. And we did our spelling, so we're done. Good job. Hope to see you on the next video. Check in with your teacher, and you are doing awesome. Keep going.